Hey there, welcome back to the channel. My name is Fuzz and I'm super happy to have you here. In today's video it is going to be a very small, very quick Dollar Tree haul. These are some newer items that I have been picking up and finding at my local Dollar Tree. Again, as of recording this video, it is I think like almost the end of January. Like tomorrow is the final day of January month of 2021, so most of these items may not be available at your Dollar Tree, but just always keep a lookout at your stores. So I'm just gonna go ahead and get into this quick haul for you guys, and I do hope that you enjoy it. I've been stashing it all in here in this super gorgeous holographic silver sequin bin, and then it flips over into like this white iridescent or holographic, like, I don't know, pretty colors. They're just gorgeous, and I did pick this up from the Dollar Tree, but this has been quite a long time ago. I want to say it's like 4 years, I think now. I've been shopping there for so long that it just all kind of blends and meshes into one another. So I'm just gonna start grabbing and picking up some of these items because I am super stoked to be finding these items and super stoked for a future full face of Dollar Tree makeup. So stay tuned for that one, because you know that I am going to have it out for y'all guys. The newest item that I picked up today is by the brand called Hard Candy, and supposedly I was watching another video from someone. I don't exactly remember who it was, but I watch so many Dollar Tree hauls that I don't even remember who. I want to say it was I think her name's like CraftyGirl or something like that. I will leave, if I remember, I will leave it linked down below. But I think she says that Hard Candy is being discontinued completely, so then some of their, you know, stocked or currently stocked items may be coming to the dollar store if it hasn't been sold. But correct me if I'm wrong. If you guys have any information, as always, leave it in the comments down below. I would love to know more about this. I'm very curious. But I found a 12-hour protection setting spray. It says anti-pollution. I'm guessing it's from like a Defend line that they've had. It says Defend Sheer Envy setting spray. It says charcoal to detoxify, anti-blue light, anti-pollution, antioxidants, and it's 12-hour protect plus hydration. So it is a makeup setting spray. So it's supposed to hydrate and protect upon application for up to 12 hours. It says blue light rays are known to be emitted from your smartphone, computer, tablet, and other devices, with added glycerin, honey, and sugarcane for adding conditioning. It's a protective and mattifying setting spray formulated with charcoal powder, antioxidants, and blue light protection to help defend skin all day. It's a weightless formula, and again, I will read all of this in the video, but I'm not going to open this yet until I actually do the entire video, so just stay tuned for that one, because this and everything else will be opened or used or shown in future videos. I can guarantee that. Next up is another item from Hard Candy. I have been seeing a lot of new Hard Candy items at the Dollar Tree. I pretty much go there like every single day because I am obsessed. I love that store. It is one of my favorite stores ever. You never know what you can find there, and you can find some very higher priced items for just $1, and I'm like, heck yeah, you know I'm gonna get that. So it is another setting spray or setting mist, except this one just says it's long wear. It's fade resistant, fights humidity, and it has cucumber extract. So I did pick up 2 different setting sprays. I kind of want to test both out. I mean, for $1, I'm not really going to be losing that much money as if I spent like, I want to say that these are probably priced like $8 to $10, if that. But Hard Candy is supposed to be on the more affordable side, even on the drugstore spectrum, so we'll see. But I'm super excited to try this one as well. Next product is yet again another Hard Candy product, and this is the Hydrating Sheer Envy Primer Mist. It's 12-hour power, electrolytes, energize, and hydrate skin, oil-free and silicone-free. So I don't normally go and use primer mists. I always stick to the more like lotiony, silicone-y base consistency for primers. So I'm super excited to kind of dive into this whole new area of makeup and really try this. So this is just a primer mist. It hydrates skin and revitalizes radiance. The next product was the most, I think, exciting and blown away product that I have yet to see at the dollar store. I didn't even know, my words, see? My words, they're boggling out of my mind and my brain and everything. But this is crazy to see this at the dollar store. Hello? Full size, huge palette, name brand, for $1? I am beyond shocked. I cannot express how crazy good of a deal this is, how crazy insane this is to find this at my dollar store. Now again, I do shop, I have so many Dollar Trees around me, but I always frequent this one particular one because it is the biggest one out of like all the rest of them. It's kind of sprinkled around the area that I live in, and it always gets like the newer products, a lot of different products that like all the other ones don't really get, so I always head to that one first. So always check out the better dollar store or like the more up-to-date kind of one, because that's where I found this one at. So just a little tip. But this is the Look Pro eyeshadow palette, and this one is all that rose gold. So it does have a name and it does have shade names, and the colors look really pretty. I was kind of drawn to like this whole section of it, so I'm excited to test this out and use it in the full face because technically I did find this at the Dollar Tree, so it's not cheating, it's just a bonus, like a bargain deal. Hello, yes. I did show off some other products, or I think I want to say in like the Five Below and Dollar Tree haul. I think it's actually in that one, so I will link in that one down below because that one is already up. But I showed a few products in there that I had purchased, and I was hoping to make work because they did seem a little dark or a little different for me. So I actually went back to exchange those, and I found these products that will hopefully match me 10 times better than the other one. So I picked up the Wet n Wild Photofocus foundation in Soft Ivory. The previous one I picked up, it was, I believe, a Wet n Wild foundation or BB cream or something, but the shade that it was in, it was called Light. It seemed too dark for me, so I think this one will match me a whole lot more. I mean, it could not match me, it could be really white or pale on me, but I'll take my chances. So, and I typically go for a soft ivory color anyways, or like ivory tone, so hopefully this matches me. And then I found some pressed powders as well that'll work for this full face that I'm gonna eventually create whenever that video goes out. I don't know. But I found a Wet n Wild Photofocus pressed powder, and this was in the shade Warm Light, so it does seem kind of pale and light for me, but I think we'll make it work, and it'll work eventually. But I also did pick up this one. It's from Wet n Wild as well. It's Coverall pressed powder, and this one is light medium. So I wasn't sure which one was going to match me. I was debating on exchanging one for something else, but then I was like, it's only $1, so am I really losing out a lot of money for that? No, so I kept them both. Sorry. These Ioni 3D Foam Ink Lashes in a pink box in a really gorgeous style that I love. I've already tried these and worn these before, and I love it. I want more, so I stocked up. I picked 4 pairs because I do not want these to ever leave my collection, my drawer, my life, my love, my heart, anything. But so this is just the cutest little box ever. But yeah, so these are the Ioni. Wow, I was mixing Ioni and Lashes together, like luscious. Pretend we didn't hear that. They're Ioni Lashes, and they're cruelty-free and vegan. And these are the style Wispy Full Dramatic. And yes, they are wispy, they are full, they are dramatic. Hence Wispy Full Dramatic. But these, I love them. They hit your eyebrows. Like, I can talk to you right now and I can feel the lashes just like tickling here. That's how these feel, but I don't know what it is about them. I love them. They're super soft and comfortable. And then the last item, I I'm just going to throw this in here because I don't know when I'm going to pick up more. So I'll just kind of throw this in here and then throw the others in another haul video. But I actually found these at Walmart. It is the LA Colors 3D Foaming Lashes. Do not judge me. I don't need more lashes, but I have to buy them. My wallet says, buy more lashes, buy more lashes, buy more lashes. So here we are. Do not judge me. Just enjoy, okay? But these are the style called Vixen. I want to say that this was probably for Christmas time or the holidays, just because of this little like reindeer Rudolph, I guess, with the little red nose, which is such a cute box. And I've never seen this style before. It's called Vixen. I've seen a few others. I think it's like Emerson and like 4 or 5 other different styles, which I will buy those too and do a try on with those as well. But I picked these up because these, obviously, lashes intrigue me, holidays intrigue me, I'm obsessed, and I've never seen this style within this, like, throaty, wow, we throwing it down, the 3D Foaming Lash Collection, or subset collection, I don't know what you want to call it, but, yeah, I am excited, throw a party, okay. Don't mind. As always, thank you so very much for watching this video. I truly appreciate you and I truly appreciate your support. Let me know if you've picked up any of these items, if you've been finding anything different at your Dollar Tree, or if you tried these lashes from Walmart, anything and everything in the comments. I would love to see you there, and thank you so much for watching this. I will see you next Sunday for my next video, whatever it may be. So, bye-bye guys. If you'd like to watch my previous video or be directed to the channel, click the links on your screen.